Welcome to Tech Editing Tips Tuesday. I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems, and I'll be coming to you throughout the summer with crochet design tips to help you craft perfect patterns every time. Now today I want to talk to you about the Craft Yarn Council standards. I've mentioned them before. The Craft Yarn Council is an American company, so they do use American terminology, the US single crochet, etc. But they are well worth a look at as a crochet designer. You will find that they have standards for body sizing, standards for stitch abbreviations, and so much more advice about how to write patterns. They're really worth a look at, and lots of users kind of expect their patterns to be written in that standard way. So it's worth considering whether you want to use their standards for your patterns as well.